The Uniform Commercial Code, or UCC, is a set of model laws for regulating commercial transactions. State legislatures use the UCC as a guide to formulate their own laws. In Lutke Engineering Company versus Indiana Limestone Company, we explore Indiana's companion law. Indiana Limestone provided a price quotation to Lutke Engineering to ship 70,000 tons of stone between 1978 and 1979. In July 1978, Lutke issued a purchase order to Indiana for the 70,000 tons of stone. The order stated that Indiana should ship the stone at a rate of 1,500 tons per day. At this rate, all stone would be shipped by November 1978, which was Lutke's intended completion date. Indiana was not aware of Lutke's intention, though. In fact, Lutke had earlier provided Indiana with a project chart indicating a July 1979 completion date. Indiana didn't ship the stone at the specified rate, and ultimately completed shipment of the stone in August 1979. Lutke sued Indiana for its losses related to the delayed shipments. In response, Indiana claimed that it believed that the rate of 1,500 tons per day was just the ideal. At trial, Lutke's chief engineer testified that the rate was an arbitrary quantity based on rates proposed during negotiations. Lutke's president testified that Lutke didn't expect Indiana to ship at the specified rate. Representatives from Indiana testified that they considered the rate to be the maximum amount Indiana was expected to ship. In addition, the record indicated that on previous projects with Lutke, Indiana's shipments had been delayed due to insufficient rail service, labor strikes, and weather. The district court determined that the rate in the purchase order was a material alteration of Indiana's offer. Therefore, the parties hadn't agreed to it. The court also found that based on trade custom, Indiana delivered the stone at a reasonable time. The court ruled in favor of Indiana. Lutke appealed.